Something is about to be revealed to you. If you have found this message, this is very special. If you don't usually receive messages like this on your feed, I invite you to stick around for a moment. I don't do clickbait around here. My name is Melissa. Welcome in. I'm honored to have you in this space. I'm just hearing something is about to be revealed to you. The truth. You're about to receive a whole new perception. Thank you, Spirit. That will give you a deeper understanding about why things happened that way. About why you feel a certain way. Let's get into it. What do we have for this collective? For the highest and best only. Yeah, okay. We have Queen of Cups coming out. All right, let's see. We have Queen of Cups coming out first, which makes me feel like this is something that you've intuitively been picking up on for a little while now. Like you've had a knowing about stuff under the surface, like just a feeling, an inkling, your intuition. Like the Queen of Cups makes me feel like you are deeply in tune with your own self, your heart, your emotions. You're deeply in tune with your connection to them, to your emotions. You listen to them. You don't just ignore your emotions. You've come like into a deeper understanding of them and what they're teaching you. You're somebody who's very in tune psychically, whether you will know it or not. You are very in tune psychically. And yeah, so this is like your energy is what I'm picking up on. You have King of Wands and the Magician. This is really strong. I just heard a raven outside, and that's what's on this card. I just heard a raven. So ravens are very significant to you, crows. I feel like you are somebody, you have created a firm foundation within yourself. Thank you, Spirit. Confirmation card. You've created a firm foundation within yourself, with your emotions, with your identity. A firm foundation in who you are as the I am, as the creator of your world. I feel like you no longer give a fuck about what other people perceive about you. When you're doing things, how you look, certain things like that. Honestly, my nails chipped today, and I just saw this in the video, and that's what made me think that right now. It's so funny. But I feel like you don't care about how people are perceiving you anymore because you know your connection to the divine. You know who you are. You know who you are. Everything that you've been through has brought you back home to yourself more and more and more. And the Magician coming out makes me really feel like you are like with this King of Wands, like the horse energy, like rumbling up, like this creation power. Things are being revealed to you before you make the next moves so that you can wield your creation power more intentionally and not leak it. This is going to make sense for some of you. Some of you. Take what resonates, leave what doesn't. I also feel like you're being moved away from groups of people or certain people or individuals to be protected. Spirit is protecting you. So you're being moved away from certain people. You're being brought into different communities. You're being brought more towards love and more community. Because I feel like what's being revealed too is like truth around deception with other people, whether those were relationships, communities, people of power in your life in some way, positions of power, should I say, like they had positions of power. Like I feel like that's what's being illuminated, and that's the truth that's being revealed to you, why things happen that way. And I feel like you have a very firm foundation in who you are and who you are in your connection to God, to this world, to yourself. And I want to pull a dragon oracle really quick to close out this message. Dragons resonate with you if you are a part of this collective. Dragons are significant to you. Scorpions, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Taurus, Sagittarius. I'm just picking up right now on like these energies. It doesn't have to be, those could just be significant placements or signs that either you are or you've interacted with in your life. Interesting. I don't usually do zodiac signs. There's a lot that's being uncovered from your past lives right now. Yeah, whole body chills right there. There's a lot that is being uncovered from your past lives right now. We're gonna do one more shuffle. Trickster energies and things that wanted to pull you into other directions to actually keep you off of the path for what's really in alignment in your life. Did you see that just fucking fly out? For what's really in alignment for your life, things that wanted to stop you from your path of destiny, your power and what you want to do. Like I'm picking up from past lives, like energies from past lives that wanted to stop you from clearing the things that you were meant to clear in this lifetime and the work that you're meant to do in this lifetime. Ooh, and they can't stop you, they can't stop me now, cause I'm having a good time. Oh my God. Nothing can stop you and your connection, your destiny and your connection to the creator of all things. This timeline is different. Thank you, Great Spirit. This lifetime is different. And that's like what I'm picking up from your energy. Okay. Wow. You're going through a massive transformation. We have the black dragon coming out right now. Cocoons. The black dragon cocoons you so that your divine potential grows. Meditate, reflect, undergo a metamorphosis. Yeah. You're going to receive some insight and clarity and downloads as you meditate, as you reflect. That's going to help you to understand why things happened that way and what actions to take next. The divine is protecting you so that you don't get taken too far off track. Interesting. Okay. If you would like to dive in deeper, I have personalized readings or private sessions available on my website. I also have one-on-one mentorship available, and I do have a space if you're interested. So everything that I offer is linked in the description for you to learn more about. If you have any questions, you can also email me. So yeah, that's all I have to say now. The energies, there's things that are weird in the energy right now that I want to try to distract. Like I literally just felt it as I was trying, just closing this out right now. Things that want to distract. So meditate, reflect, and undergo your metamorphosis. And don't forget who you are. But I'm talking to you right now. You know who you are. You know who you are. Okay. Everything that I offer is linked in the description, and I would be honored to hold that space if you want to work together. I will see you in the next aligned channeled message that is for you. Have a great rest of your day, night, wherever you are on this beautiful planet. Goodbye for now.